Welcome to my channel. It's Carly and I'm back with what I eat in a day today. I haven't done one of these in a while and like I'm kind of, you know, upset about it. Like, why haven't I been doing what I eat in a day? It's like, what am I doing with my life? Like, but fear no more, we're doing what I eat in a day. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten anything yet. I woke up at like 8 a.m. but I had a stomach ache, so I like drank water and I had to register for classes, so I did that. And I just never got around to eating, and it's basically noon right now. I know, it's so bad. So I'm about to make breakfast because I still want actual breakfast food. So I think I'm just gonna make eggs and bacon, maybe with yogurt or fruit. So I always make my bacon either in the air fryer or under the oven, and I don't have like an actual air fryer here. The oven has an air fryer setting, so I'm gonna get my pan ready. Always put aluminum foil on your pan because I'm not washing dishes. Are you washing dishes? Because I'm not. Now we're gonna have an easy cleanup. We got some center cut bacon, and it's 60 calories for 2 slices. So I usually get this. And I also like, there's like an applewood smoked bacon that I really like. I've showed that on my channel before. Just gonna put my bacon in. So I got the air fryer going on for the bacon. Then I'm about to start my eggs. So here's my breakfast. I got some eggs, some bacon, and some yogurt. I love making this for breakfast because it's super fast, super low calorie, and super filling. So how you guys doing? Like, how are you? Tell me. Are you on a weight loss journey? Are you still on a weight loss journey? If you were, how's your journey going? I'd love to know. If you don't know already, I'm back on my journey. I took a little break, but now it's game time. How's that thing with it? Minaj video? It's got yogurt on my nose. I took a little break, but it's game time, bitches.
I took a couple, you know, I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches.
Bro, I'm so excited to like kind of restart my journey. Not really restart, you know, I took a little break. I was going through whatever I was going through, but I'm back eating healthy, like trying to create new recipes, like new healthy recipes. Is starting to become fun again, because before I kind of felt like I was making the same things over again. I'm so happy that I'm back on my journey eating healthy because I just needed it, and I feel so much better, so much lighter, so much happier, just all around better. So it's crazy how shitty not bad food, I don't want to say unhealthy food, fattier foods make you feel, because it just really made me feel so bad. And it was so hard for me to like come out of it, but literally all I had to do was just get back on track. But it's so hard to get back on track. It's just crazy. Like, I don't understand it. Today's video is sponsored by Bright Cellars. Bright Cellars is a monthly wine subscription service that uses a 7-question quiz to match you to your perfect wine pairing based on your taste. They ask you questions like what's your favorite juices, your favorite wine pairing, how adventurous you are with food and drink, and if you'd prefer white or red wines. And after, you get your matches. One thing I really love is that if you don't like a match, you are able to ask them to give you a new match, and boom, it updates. And once you're happy with all of your matches, you check out, and in a couple days it is at your door. You don't have to go to the grocery store, you don't have to go to the liquor store, you don't have to wait in any lines. It's very convenient. Inside of your box, you get your wine, of course, and you also get wine education cards for each bottle that tells you everything you need to know about it. It tells you this perfect serving temperature, it tells you the origin, the suggested pairings, the tasting notes, literally everything. You will look like a wine pro with these cards. Bright Cellars is giving all of my subscribers 50% off for their first 6 bottles of wine. That's literally $53 for about 6 bottles, so that's like $9 a bottle. That's amazing. Make sure you take advantage of this deal and press the link down below to take your quiz and get your wine. Back to the video. So it's lunchtime and I'm gonna be making some chicken and peppers. I have these spinach and feta chicken sausages, and I'm just gonna do some peppers and onions. It's gonna be really good, and it's actually a really quick meal to make. Like, it doesn't take long at all, maybe like 15 minutes tops. And then on top of that, you can meal prep it for the whole week for lunch. So like, it's lit. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. I got my pepper here. I'm just gonna cut it. Throw that out. I like to make sure to cut my peppers into even pieces so that it could cook evenly. I'm just adding olive oil spray, then some salt. Then I'm gonna do some spice and herb seasoning. Some original no salt from Kingsford. Some garlic and herb. And then some garlic powder. Now that it's all seasoned up, I'm gonna add it into the oven. Well, I'm baking the peppers right now, the peppers and onions, and I put it under the oven at like 350. I'm gonna put it in for like 10 to 12 minutes, check on it, and if it's how I like, I'm gonna take it out. If not, I'll leave it in for longer. I'll let you guys know. But now we're gonna start on the chicken sausage. This is the chicken sausage I have. It is from Aldi's and it's spinach and feta, and it's 140 calories. I'm excited. It's gonna be fire. This is it. So I have my chicken sausage here all cut up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you guys just see that? What the fuck? Excuse my language. I thought it was over, bro. I thought I was just about to die. Don't do what I just did. Oh my God, I thought like, wow, that was scary. All right, let's try that again. All right, I'm adding some spice and herbs. Kingsford. This is how the chicken sausage came out so far. It looked good. And I'm just waiting on the peppers and the onions, and they're almost done. So I'm gonna add my chicken sausage in with the peppers. So here is the finished product. It looks so good. So I have my plate. I'm about to test it out. Alright, so I have a little bit of everything on here. It's so good. I really like making this when I'm in a rush because it's so quick to make. It literally takes like 15 minutes and it's really filling and it's low carb and it's low calorie. Like, it's all I could ask for, but it's really good. So I'm about to go devour this because I'm hungry and it looked good. So I'll see you guys for dinner. I'm all done. It was bussin'. Well, it's dinner time and I saw this recipe online for like this chicken margarita type thing and it looks so good, but I don't have any basil and I think there's something else I need for it. And I don't feel like going to the grocery store, like I really don't. So I'm just gonna make my own take on this. So it's definitely not gonna be chicken margarita. I have cilantro, so I'm thinking of doing kind of like the same concept with the chicken and the cheese, but with like Pico De Gallo on top, maybe some jalapenos. I feel like that would be really good. So I'm gonna be making that for dinner. I got my chicken breast. This is thin sliced chicken breast. That's another thing I don't have. Like, I would have rather used like just like whole chicken breast instead of it being thin sliced, but I got thin sliced chicken breast, so we're gonna make do with what we have. And for the Pico De Gallo, I have an onion, I have tomatoes, I have a lime, I have a jalapeno. Oh, that's the other thing, I needed cheese, but I'm gonna see if I have any. I don't have any of my like low calorie cheese, but I have some mozzarella, so I'm gonna be using this. It's 90 calories, but it's gonna work because this meal isn't like super high calorie, like especially because it doesn't have any like crazy carbs in it or anything. So I'm able to get away with like kind of higher calorie like cheese or whatever. But let's get started. I gotta clean this chicken first because we clean our chicken around here. Like, if you don't clean your chicken, I'm not eating at your house. Like, clean your meat. Clean. But yeah, so we're gonna start off with the chicken first because that takes the longest to make. And I'm extra. I always use gloves to clean my chicken because I hate touching raw chicken with my bare hands. Like, am I the only one? I'm just not a fan. Like, I'd rather not. No thanks. Just finished cleaning my chicken. And I'm just gonna put some oil on it and season it up so that I could start cooking it. Right, and I'm just gonna, oops, spray that on the chicken. I really like to just spray my chicken with olive oil or even just put real olive oil on it just so the seasonings could stick. I always use the same seasonings, but this is my Kingsford original, my Tony's spice and herbs. I love this seasoning. Now I want my chicken to be really coated in seasoning. Garlic powder. Got some salt and pepper and garlic. And some garlic and herbs. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna mix it up to kind of season it. Because if it ain't seasoned, then what was the reason? Okay? Go, our chicken is all marinated. I'm going to put that aside. Then I'm going to start with the Pico De Gallo. I just washed off my veggies. For the Pico De Gallo, I'm just going to be chopping up my onions and my tomatoes, and then I'll be chopping up my cilantro and jalapenos as well. Love making this because I feel like it's such like a fresh meal Like, it just tastes so fresh. I just really like Pico De Gallo. Just gonna use a fork to mix it all together. It looks so good and it already smells really good. I just really love Pico De Gallo. Like, it's one of my favorite things to eat. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. But now, I'm gonna squeeze some lime in there. And I'm just gonna use my Himalayan salt, pepper, and garlic. And a little bit more lime. Then we mix. I wish you guys could smell this right now because it smells amazing. You're gonna use actual liquid oil, just a tiny bit. Just gonna add my chicken. Cheese.
Somebody that.
So I have my Pico De Gallo here. I'm just gonna top it off. And I'm also going to add an avocado. Okay, so my plate is all done. This looks so good and it smells really good. Babe already ate his piece already. Well, his chicken already. How is it? Tell him.
What you busting?
It's bussin', as he says. But I'm about to try it with you guys right now. It's just amazing. Literally, like, so good. It's so cheesy. I still want to try the margarita chicken too, though. I feel like it will be just as good. I devoured that. Awesome. It was so good. Loved it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So that is the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really liked all the meals that I cooked. I feel like this was very chill, like mellow video. But that was just my vibe for today. I'm definitely trying to stay kind of on the low carb side. I'm not cutting out carbs completely because I will never do that. Definitely trying to eat a low carb just because carbs in my stomach just don't agree at all, and it's really sad. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up so that I can know, and leave me a comment down below telling me anything. Let me know what you want to see on my channel. Let me know what recipes you'd like me to cook. Anything, let me know. Bussin'! I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!